Testing it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We live. Welcome back, Doris. Wednesday. Good job. Streets is watching, so what do we want to learn tonight? My announcements tonight are, do you want to learn how to invest? You want to learn how to easily make a lot of money in the stock market? Learn how to pick the best 5 companies and have a community that goes over the top 25 U.S. companies every week? Invest in yourself. Go follow me on Instagram at Neil Jones Invest and DM me saying you want to join and invest with my close friends. That's how you can easily learn from me on how to begin investing like a professional while keeping your day job and enjoying time with your family. Good job, Cornelius. I ain't doing too much right now, just sitting in 100% cashmere silk socks, sitting in love, kids of immigrant sweatpants that I picked up from Fifth Plazas, Ralph Lauren classic fit Oxford shirt, watching my son look at the movie Richie Rich. Leadership shit. Watch this. Hey, Neil, you want to tell him something about the stock market?
Gray means up and red means down.
Straight off of a key, already raw with it. Streets is watching. Boom. This is show number 21. If you are new, Wine or Weed Wednesday is a show where we break down the stock market for the culture so we can understand and make money moves, go over a plan, a position, and know when to take profits or pivot with confidence. It's important that you see this. You can do it too. This ain't just money, it's strategy. Break down tonight. First, let's look at the money in the inflation portfolio. Second, talk about the money, the construction of the portfolio. Third, drill a trap and quickly break down a company or 3, then bring it back home with link block or drop off to see who the swoop is, or can we commit to a random company by looking at its past, present, and educated estimated future. There it is, our opener tonight called Streets is Watching. So folks, be careful. It's time to go over the disclaimer. This show is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a fiduciary. Take my information from the show to use to further your own research before investing. All investments and trades have risk, so consult with a licensed professional. Remind a friend to tell a friend to like, subscribe, and share while it's free. Now, the first thing we are doing tonight, because I don't want to waste you folks' time, let's look at the money. Let's sit down at the table together and check in on the numbers together as a family, almost like an economist. Let's pull up the Fear and Greed Index to see where we were at today. And quickly, what is the Fear and Greed Index? It's like a weather forecast for money, measuring how people are feeling about the stock market. Fear is like a rainy storm. People are scared and selling the shares, so the market goes down. Greed is like a sunny day. People are emotionally excited and buying shares, so the market goes up. We're at a 49 today. This is neutral, so people are not worried about anything, and people are not excited about anything neither. The VIX, or the volatility index, is at a 15.19, so again, people are calm, folks. And what is the VIX? It's like a nervous meter for the market. The lower it is from 17, the calmer the people are. The higher, the more anxious Wall Street and whales are. If this makes sense, and I've made you feel more comfortable, put a yes in the comments. I'm doing this for free, so one day when I'm gone, the help continues. And if my family needs the favor return, hopefully I have paid for it 10 times ahead of time. Pull up the account for the people. Time is the most valuable asset we have, and I don't want to waste your time nor mine anymore. The inflation portfolio today is wine. If you don't know what we mean when we say that around here, it just means we are in the red. What does in the red or in the green mean? Red means our money is losing its value, and the green or weed means our money is making money. Today, my total amount of money in this account is $147,815.70. Today, I have a loss of $52.78 as the bold red number at the bottom. If you can read an account overview easy now as a beginner investor, put a yes in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and share, folks. It's $100,000 worth of information. Info is important. Next, let's talk about the money. What did he talk about? He talk about their money. We see the ticker symbol AAPL. It's the company Apple Incorporated. I'm up 5.32% today this week, so we say weed. I'm growing this position, so look out for my profits showing only $61.85 to grow even more as dips happen at times for this company. Dips usually occur when some sort of bad news comes out. Vanguard S&P 500, ticker VOO this week. I'm up $2,227.75. My investment has grew 18%. We are in the green. Now we see something different, right? A ticker next to a dollar amount that's called a strike price. What is this? This is an option. And what is an option, folks? It's a deal we make on a company's future price. So how do we read this? First is recognizing the ticker symbol. NVDA. When we go to Google or ask Siri, it is the company NVIDIA. So NVIDIA with a strike price of $150 by June 20th, 2025 is what we see. I'm up 20% on this option call. So today I'm making $904. If you can look up tickers and recognize them now as a new investor, put yes in the comments. AMZN is what, folks? Again, you can ask Siri or Google what is AMZN. It'll tell you it's Amazon. Easy, right? Boom. Good job, Cornelius. Put yes in them comments. This week, I'm on wine. I'm down $1,544. GOOGL or Google with a strike price of $150 till January 16, 2026. In the red, or wine as we call it, down negative 23%, costing me $2,770. PANW or Palo Alto Networks weed this week up 92%. Almost ready to trim some flowers off this tree. LLY or Eli Lilly with a strike price of $960, down 88%. Wine this week. Eli Lilly inside my buying hold stock, not option calls, is up this week. Weed is giving me $4,074.30. That is an 18% profit. Microsoft, BlackRock, and JP Morgan are all in the green and essential to this account. Move along. Let's pull up and slide on Drill or Trap this week. This is what we break down whether an investment is a kill or a keep. Drill means we'll kill and eliminate the ideal of investing money into a company or position, just like in drill music or in military combat drills. If it don't work, out here. We don't care if they're cool or a trend at the moment, which real always prevails and stays away from the fake. And if they lack sustainability, they watch when the trend dies. So does their potential. And trap is the opposite. This is when we stay locked in. The company is built to last, fundamentally strong, to create long-lasting wealth. You get what I'm saying? If you have a company in mind that you need to drill on, or a company that is trapping, put it in the comments. First is Humana, ticker HUM. Drill or trap. The company Humana, total revenue for 2022, $92,870,000,000. 2023, $106,374,000,000. In the trailing 12 months, the last 12 months, these trailing 12 months, $115,000,000,000 and $10 million. And what is total revenue? It's the total money earned from sales before any expenses are taken out. Good job, Cornelius. Humana's free cash flow for 2021, $920 million. For 2022, $3,450 million. 2023, $2,977 million. The last 12 months, they really need to pull it up, man. And what is free cash flow? It's all the cash a company has after paying all its bills and expenses. 5-year chart is down negative 30% at $265, almost close to its lowest in the pandemic in 2020 at $230. Drill or trap with 2 out of 3 bad reports, low free cash flow, and a bad chart. I'm gonna say, the fuck what I saying? I'm gonna say drill, nigga. What the fuck wrong with you, boy? Crazy. I'm gonna say drill. Next is Chipotle Mexican Grill, ticker CMG, drill or trap. Company total revenue for 2022, $8,634,652,000. 2023, $9,871,649,000. For 2024, $11,313,853,000. Free cash flow for 2022 was $844,015,000. 2023, $1,222,746,000. And 2024, $1,511,473,000. Chipotle Mexican Grill has grown revenue and is steady growing its free cash flow and operating free cash flow. I'm gonna say trap. And Tesla's total annual revenue for 2022, $81,462,000,000. 2023, $96 billion. 2023, $96,773,000,000. 2024, $97,690,000,000. Free cash flow for 2022, $7,552,000,000. 2023, $4,357,000,000. In 2024, $3,581,000,000. Drill or trap in the comments below if you watching this. You tell me based on whatever time it is when you watching. Drill or trap Tesla. And before we end the night, let's do link, block, or drop off. It's about finding the perfect match in the market. We would say link if we like it, if it's the one, if it's number one in the game and dominating this competition and worth committing to. If not, we're gonna say block or drop off. We say block if the company is not worth a second look at. Like your coworker looking at a pic you showing in your phone. Your coworker just look at you and say nah. Another person walking past say you don't know who that is. Now you looking hurt and lost. Hit the block button. It's a nah. And drop off if because the company is just a little quick smash. A trade, but not a long-term investment. Money is inconsistent. Chart is inconsistent. Hit the like button and share with 2 close friends. The company this week is Kraft Heinz Food, ticker KHC. Its return on invested capital, or ROIC, is negative 59.67%. What is return on invested capital? This is how much money a company makes for every dollar invested into its business. Let's break it down so it actually makes sense. ROIC. Imagine you spend $100 on rice, seasoning, and packaging to start a food hustle. You cook it up, sell it, and only make back $40. That means you lost $60. A negative return on investment. Kraft Foods ROIC is negative 59.67%. That means $1 they invested, they'll lose on almost 60 cents. It's like running a business just to take an L. Great companies flip their investment into more money. But this is like a broke hustler burning cash with no result. Would you invest in that? Let me know in the comments. Link, block, or drop off. Before I go broke like Block, I'll fold that rock like Jay. Hard Knock Life that play. Boom. Kraft Heinz food whack has got to be high, and if not, it's still the same answer for me. Block. In the store. Please do your own research. Investing has risk. Yeah, that's all today, folks. Like, subscribe, and share so I can keep making videos for free like this. Follow me on Instagram at Neil Jones Invest. If you were able to watch till here, put a yes in the comments. And remember, when we learn together in groups and collaborative learning, people retain information better, solve problems more effectively, stay motivated, and develop critical thinking skills better. So what better way to do it over wine or weed? The new show, Working Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern on YouTube every Wednesday. This is Neil Jones with $100,000 worth of information. Boom.